An estimated 8 million people across Scotland, England and Wales are set to receive a £300 cost of living payment from the Department for Work and Pensions, DWP, or Revenue and Customs, HMRC, between October 31 and November 19, 2023. The second part of the £900 means-tested cost of living payment will provide a financial boost for those on universal credit, pension credit, tax credits and other income-related benefits. However, DWP has also announced an update to the third and final part of the £900 means-tested cost of living support, which will see millions of people on a low income receive the money sooner than previously expected. The official cost of living payment guidance on Gov.uk has been updated to reflect that the £299 lump sum will now be made by spring 2024 and not spring 2024. This change could see millions of people receive the £299 payment before the start of March, depending on which definition of spring the DWP is referring to. Definitions of spring: meteorological spring for most of the Northern Hemisphere, the spring months are usually March, April, and May, and so by this definition spring starts on March 1. Astronomical spring: astronomically, spring is deemed to start at the vernal equinox, which starts next year on March 20. Either date will see eligible claimants receive the money earlier than anticipated. Below is everything you need to know about the £300 cost of living payment, including eligible benefits, qualifying periods, joint claims, nil awards and how pensioners could still qualify for the money. £300 cost of living payment schedule: the second part of the £900 means-tested payment will be made between October 31 to November 19. For people on DWP means-tested benefits and those in receipt of tax credits who also get a DWP qualifying benefit, November 10 to November 19. For people in receipt of working tax credits or child tax credits only. How the money will arrive in bank accounts: the money will be paid directly into the account where the benefit is usually paid and appear as either DWP call or HMRC calls, along with the claimant's national insurance number. All payments will be made automatically. Nobody needs to apply or contact DWP or HMRC before the scheduled window opens. If you receive a text or email inviting you to apply for any cost of living payment, it is a scam. Nobody needs to make a claim for £300, or the next one for £299. Qualifying benefits for £300 payment: this will be paid to eligible households receiving the following benefits: universal credit, income-based job seekers allowance, income-related employment and support allowance, income support, pension credit, working tax credit, paid by HMRC if no other DWP means-tested benefit is also claimed, child tax credit, paid by HMRC if no other DWP means-tested benefit is also claimed, qualifying periods for DWP and HMRC benefits. DWP benefits: to be eligible for the cost of living payment from DWP, you need to have been entitled to a payment for a qualifying benefit between August 18 and September 17, or payment for an assessment period ending between these dates. HMRC benefits: to be eligible for the cost of living payment from HMRC, you need to have received a payment of tax credits for any day in the period between August 18 and September 17. Joint claimants: much like every other means-tested cost of living payment, the money will be paid per claim. This means joint claimants will receive one payment. For joint tax credits claimants, where one claimant receives working tax credit and the other claimant receives child tax credit, payments will be made into the same bank account as the child tax credit. New pension credit claims and £300 payment. The DWP is also encouraging low-income pensioners not already getting pension credit to check their eligibility, as they can still qualify for the £300 cost of living payment if they make an application for pension credit application before mid-December, which later turns out to be successful. This is because pension credit is a retrospective benefit that can be backdated by up to 3 months, which takes it to within the qualifying period. Get the latest Record Money news. Join the conversation on our Money Saving Scotland Facebook group for energy and money saving tips, the latest benefits news, consumer help and advice on coping with the cost of living crisis. Sign up to our Record Money newsletter and get the top stories sent to your inbox daily from Monday to Friday, including a special cost of living edition on a Thursday. Sign up here. You can also follow us on X, formerly Twitter, at @RecordMoney_ for regular updates throughout the day. People can check their eligibility for pension credit using the online calculator on Gov. UK here or by calling the Pension Credit Helpline on 0800 99 1234. We also have a handy guide to the benefit here. Join the Daily Records WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages.